How to fulfill your orders on Shopify. Hello, everybody, welcome back. If you would also like to fulfill your orders on Shopify, you may follow up this guide step by step. So, what you may do first of all is head over to admin.shopify.com and you will be getting this interface on your screen once you are logged in. So, what you need to do is you need to navigate to order section for that. For that, locate up the menu first in the top left corner, usually located. Tap on it and open up the menu within your screen and look out for the section called Orders. Tap on it and open up Orders. Tap on Orders and locate up the orders here. So here you need to look out for the orders that you would like to fulfill the order for. And here, once you find your order, you need to choose Request Fulfillment option within the order. And fulfillment for that service, you need to select the request to the service, which handles the rest. And when fulfilling manually, you will add the tracking information and notify the customer, and your order should be fulfilled on Shopify that way. You may just follow up the process that I just told you. For that, you need to have a plan selected. You need to have a subscription available, and only you will be able to fulfill the orders on Shopify. So you may just head over to order, select the order, and then choose request fulfillment or fulfill items, and you will be sending request to the service, and that will handle the rest. So that is it. You may follow up this method if you would like to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.